He's plowing so he doesn't get stuck too, and then he's gonna try to pull me out, or push me out for that matter. Look at that snow, look at that, incredible. Few feet away, that's it. Another maybe what, 10 feet? Then I won't get a ticket, then I can park where I need to park. Okay, he's coming around again. He's coming around the corner and he comes. He'll be coming around the corner and he comes. He'll be coming around the corner. He'll be coming around the corner. He'll be coming around the corner when he comes. All right, here we go. All right, cool. Okay, now he's going to back up. I take it. Okay. Okay, yeah, perfect. Wait, up. Up. Perfect. There, that way. Whoops. Okay, 1 second. Now let's go in. Give it another try here. Okay. All right. Here we go. Here we go. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, huh? Okay, let's wave this guy. Tell him to keep go. Okay. Yes, we did it. Ha ha ha, we did it. Yeah, alhamdulillah. Oh, there's a snowbank right in front of me. Perfect. Yeah, perfect. Alhamdulillah. Huh? I won't get a ticket overnight now. Let's go thank the guy and give him back his shovel. Oh, alhamdulillah. Huh? There. That was something. Thanks a lot, eh? Well, I was going to give you back the shovel. I appreciate it, eh?
All right.
Great guy. Thank you. Take care.